In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening an app called Theme Store and selecting Home at the bottom left corner. Then click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Select Themes at the top and pick one of those, or click on Category at the bottom and tap on the best one under Themes. Either way, after locating a perfect theme, all you need to do is tap on it, select Apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by clicking on Theme Store again, going back, selecting Me at the bottom right corner and tapping on Downloads. Then hit one of those themes that you previously downloaded, or go into Settings, click on Wallpaper and Style, select Themes and tap on one of those. Then hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!